Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you this very quick one pot delicious meal, that is quick chicken pulao in pressure cooker, as pressure cooker recipes does not take much time. So let me show you the simple steps on how to prepare this, and this is a quite comforting food in true sense. To prepare this super tasty and super quick chicken biryani in pressure cooker, here I've got this chicken which is around half a kg and it is with bones, which I've washed nicely, and I'm going to marinate this with some salt, half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder, little black pepper powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of any store-bought biryani masala, juice of 1 lemon, 2 tablespoons of dahi or yogurt, plain yogurt, and a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix everything really well. Lemon juice and dahi will act as a tenderizer for the chicken and will make it really soft and juicy within. So coat it nicely with the marinade so that all the chicken pieces are nicely coated, well coated with the marinade like this. And now I'm going to leave this just for half an hour. Meanwhile, you can soak your rice. So here I've taken this 1.5 cups of long grain or basmati rice which I've soaked, and we need to soak this just for about 20 to 30 minutes. While the chicken is resting. Basmati rice will give a nice flavor and texture to the pulao, just like biryani. So try using a good quality basmati rice here. Next up, in a pan, you can use a pan here. Today I'm using this pressure cooker for quick recipe. To this I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil along with a tablespoon of ghee, that is clarified butter, for that extra rich flavor. But you can definitely use oil only. Once it is heated over medium flame, we'll add in a piece of cinnamon or dalchini, 5 to 6 cloves or long, 2 to 3 green cardamom, that is hari ilaichi, 6 to 8 black peppercorns, that is kali mirch, a bay leaf, that is tej patta, and a teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds. Fry everything really well for about 20 to 30 seconds or until fried well and aromatic. Next, we'll add in 2 onions which I've cut into slices like this, and we are going to fry the onions for about 5 to 6 minutes or until they turn soft and golden brown in color. After about 2 minutes, I am also adding a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and a few green chillies. You can use whole green chillies or slit green chillies, and cook that as well with the onions. So you can see the onions are nicely golden brown, they are like almost deep fried, and that's the perfect color for pulao. Like if you're frying the onions, then this should be the color of the onions for pulao. And once the onions are nicely golden brown, I'm going to add in 1 or 2 tomatoes. So today I'm using 2 tomatoes which I've chopped like this, and cook the tomatoes for about 2 minutes or until they are slightly soft. Tomatoes will help in giving nice moisture to the pulao. So do not cook the tomatoes for long, as it is we are going to give this whistle. They become slightly tender. Time to add the chicken. So we'll add in the marinated chicken and then cook the chicken over medium-high flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. Mix it really well with the onion and tomato base and keep cooking the chicken for a while until you see the white coating outside the chicken pieces. Cooking, that is in Hindi what we call is भुनोइंग, that is भुनना. चिकन को भुनना बहुत ज़्यादा important है यहाँ पे, तो चिकन को अच्छी तरह से भूनिए. So keep tossing the chicken until it's well bhunoed or until it gets nice white coating on outside. So now we'll cover it with the lid and let it cook over low to medium flame just for about 5 minutes so that the chicken gets cooked from inside as well, because after this we are going to put the rice and just give it 1 whistle, which is not enough for the chicken. Like 1 whistle is enough for the rice, but 1 whistle will not be enough for the chicken. So right now it's a time to cook the chicken over low flame for about 5 to 7 minutes. So it's been almost 5 to 6 minutes. Let's remove the lid and check. The chicken is nicely cooked with the masala. You can see it's slightly cooked but still not fully done. It's almost half done. And it has also left some water, which is perfectly fine. Now we'll add in the rice, which is 1.5 cups already soaked. Mix it a bit with the chicken base. Once all the rice is nicely mixed with the chicken, time to add some water. So here we have used 1.5 cups of rice. So normally we use 1:2 ratio, that is 3 cups of water. But chicken has also left some water, and we have also used some tomatoes in this, which has got enough moisture. So today we are adding not 3 but 2.5 cups of water. So for 1.5 cups of rice, we need to put just 2.5 cups of water. Give it a good mix. I'm also adding some salt for the rice. Remember, we have also put some salt in the chicken, so be careful. And then some fresh coriander. And I'm also using some fresh mint leaves because I had it handy for extra flavor, just like biryani. But if you don't have, you can simply use coriander. Mix everything really well. And now we are going to cover it with a lid and we'll wait for 1 whistle. And after that 1 whistle, we'll turn the flame to lowest and cook for another 2 more minutes, and then switch off the flame, and then we'll wait for the entire pressure to release. So now the pressure of the whistle is completely released. We are going to remove the lid and check. Superb! You can see the rice is fully cooked and how beautiful it's looking. The water is also completely dried with the cooked rice in it. We'll show you from close. We'll mix it a bit with fork and show you. We'll just puff up with the fork and show you how well it's cooked. You can see all the rice grains are nicely separated, and the chicken is also fully cooked, and the rice is not at all sticky because we use the right amount of water in it, which is very, very important for the pressure cooker pulao or biryani. So just puff it up. It's looking really tempting. You can simply serve hot with some raita, and after serving I'm putting some fresh coriander with some onion rings. You can also serve some lemon wedges on the side. And here you go guys, your quick and easy chicken pulao is ready without much efforts, ingredients and time. Doesn't it look really delicious? And if yes, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such easy recipes. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye.